Terraform is powerful and unforgiving. One wrong resource block and you are tearing down production. Claude Code has made me both faster and safer with infrastructure code. Here is how. Infrastructure as code, which means Claude Code helps the same way it helps with any code, but the stakes are higher because the blast radius is your whole environment. The trick is using Claude for speed while keeping a human gate on apply. Describe the infrastructure you want: a VPC with 2 subnets, a load balancer, and auto-scaling group. Claude produces a clean Terraform module with variables and outputs. You review it, tighten the defaults, and you have a working module in minutes instead of an hour of documentation diving. Terraform plan output is dense and easy to skim past the dangerous line. Paste the plan into Claude and ask what will actually change, and specifically whether anything will be destroyed or replaced. Claude flags the replace and recreate lines that cause downtime, the ones you must not miss. When the real infrastructure has drifted from the code, ask Claude to compare a plan against your expectations and explain each difference. It separates harmless drift from the changes someone made by hand in the console that you need to bring back into code. State operations like moving or importing resources are scary. Ask Claude for the exact Terraform state MV or import commands for your case, and to explain what each one does before you run it. Getting the command right the first time avoids a corrupted state file. This is the one rule I never break: Claude can write and plan, but a human reads the plan and runs apply. Infrastructure is too durable to fully automate the destructive step. Use Claude for everything up to apply, and keep your eyes on the destroy lines. Terraform with Claude Code is faster to write and safer to review, as long as you keep the apply step human. Try the plan reading workflow next time and you will catch a dangerous change you would have skimmed past. Subscribe for more Claude Code deep dives.